Yes guys, good morning and welcome back to a new video. BTC retraced, Ethereum retraced, bullish order flow confirmed. The message is now it's just go time. We're in a discount market, we're retracing, we're showing, or BTC shows bullish order flow. You can see that dominance is dropping, so I'm trading Ethereum now at the moment with the guys in the group. 22 people joined the group. To all of you guys, you're very welcome, and let's level up your trading and let's aim on gains for the coming period, right? If you want to level up your trading, go to the link in description, join the crypto gainers, like this video, subscribe to my channel, and stay updated, right? So again, bullish order flow for Ethereum, bullish order flow for BTC. I will show you guys what I'm expecting now for the coming day. Actually, it's Friday, we're entering the weekend, but Fridays are well known as pump days, right? We need to break the bearish 786 to remain bullish. So a lot of things I have to discuss with you guys here in this video. So stick to the end because you don't want to miss out any of this information I'm sharing with you guys. So guys, with that said, let's go to the chart. So as you guys can see now, we're watching at BTC to USDT again, and this is literally the model we're trading in the group now. So if you want to follow this kind of setups, join the crypto gainers, links is in description, right? You can see that how nicely our entry got triggered here and we're still in the trade. I left stop loss here because there's a possibility that we come back to the 786 on the 1 hour time frame, and we don't want to get stopped out yet. So there's a possibility that we come down to eventually go up. The thing is now with BTC is that we need to break this 786 to remain bullish, right? The thing is, there's a lot of sell side liquidity here on the top above this wicks. That's why I closed my trade here at 117.7k, because it's also the daily 618, right? So there's a lot of resistance coming in. We need to break to remain bullish. The thing is, what I learned in trading, especially when it comes to day trading and you trade for a living, you just need to pay yourself, take profits, because we don't know what's happening tomorrow. This market can reverse in our face actually, and the thing is, I just need to take profits, right? So again, bullish order flow confirmed for BTC. For now, we're retracing the 618 on this swing low here. Or this one, excuse me. You can see there's a lot of support coming in here, so we can expect some upside from here on, right? Discount market, Asia started dumping today, so we can expect some upside for today. But again, we have to break certain resistance levels to remain bullish, right? There's a possibility that we reject on this liquidity pool here to come down. So again, pay yourself, right? Ethereum, same situation this morning. Yesterday I entered here to come here. I didn't take profit, so price came down while I was sleeping and I got stopped out here. So I re-entered this model on Ethereum. Same story for this model. I posted in the Discord group Crypto Gainers, and it's completely for free, right? The only thing you have to do is sign up to one of our exchanges. Links are also in the description down below, to gain premium access, right? So it doesn't cost you anything. The only thing you need to do is sign up via our links. There's a free section channel where a lot of traders and people are chatting now at the moment. It's called the main chat, so that's completely for free. You don't even have to sign up, right? So again, for Ethereum, same situation. A lot of resistance coming in. Dominance start dropping now. We have some support coming in on dominance. So we have to break the 618 and the 786 for Ethereum to remain bullish again, right? That's why I take profits. As I showed you guys in my previous video, I leave 25% open after we hit this take profit. because I'm expecting more upside for Ethereum. There's a lot of sell side liquidity here. We have a fair value gap here. Oh, excuse me. We have a fair value gap here. So that's where my take profit is there also, right? So again, guys, like this video, subscribe to my channel, and stay updated. Join the crypto gainers and sign up via the links in the description. So guys, I thank you all for watching, quick update, and I wish you all a very, very nice Friday and a very nice weekend. And with that said, stay safe, make profits, and God bless you all. See you in my next video.